Hey runners, this is Will from We Run Las Vegas, wrapping up a family outing here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Going to give y'all a tour of Blackbear Lodge. This is 1007 Black. See some of the family members. It's a little messy because this is our last day. We're leaving, but this is the kitchen area. Double stove, double microwave, double refrigerator. This is one of the laundry rooms. Has two laundry rooms. Two laundry rooms. This is one. And this is one of the two rooms that have bunk beds. These are queen size bunk beds. There's 4 of them. So there's a total of 8 bedrooms, 8 baths. Every bedroom has its own bath. We're doing king size bed with bath, so you can see what are you getting when you come to Tennessee. This is another bedroom here, living room. I'm going towards another bedroom. This is another bedroom. All the bedrooms have sleeper sofas except the one with the bunk beds in it. So this one actually has a jacuzzi tub in it, shower, walk-in shower. Kind of going through this a little fast because we're on our way to eat breakfast into the airport. Gonna walk y'all through it. Hot tub, outdoor lounging area, the woods, cabins are right next to us. Now I'm going to take you on the second floor. So you guys can see the second floor. Pull out couch out here in the common area. Kitchen again. Dining room area, and we're gonna go up, another bedroom with king bed and a pull-out sofa. Like I said, each bedroom has its own bath, play area, gaming area, movie room area. I'm gonna zigzag across. Another bedroom, sofa. Another bedroom, king, pull-out sofa. All have your own restroom. Another bedroom, similar to the one downstairs, has its own bath, 4 queen. One more king, pull-out sofa, his own bath. This is pull-out sofa as well. This takes you out to the balcony. We're doing, but this is Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and this is what a cabin, an 8-room cabin looks like in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. You runners, you have a good one.